Hi, I'm Derrick. I'm from Singapore. Uh, now, you asked me what motivates me to become a high ticket closer or why I joined this program. Now, a few months back, I actually saw Dan's videos on YouTube. He was talking about this florist that he's able to set up his business with no money. Now, then I start asking myself why. Now, the whole thing is this. I'm actually a owner of 3 businesses. 1, I'm a swimming coach myself. 2, I'm the owner of a pool maintenance company. And 3, I just started off an online florist a few months back. So what motivates me is this. When he spoke on his YouTube videos, I actually found that, hey, is this guy actually talking to me? He understands whatever I feel. Although I know that he's in Canada, I'm in Singapore, but I just find that this guy just resonates with whatever I'm doing. Whatever he say, I just keep on searching for more of his videos to look for the answers to my businesses. Well, I could say that I'm lucky because he's the second person whom I look for. I actually have a mentor in my own country itself. What is so different about him? I have joined this program, which is a boot camp which lasted for 2 days. Now, I can tell you the answer is this. The mentor will always promise a lot of things, right? Like he will do this for you, do that for you. Now, I can tell you that it's all BS, right? It's never true. What can someone do for you in 2 days to increase your business to a 6 figures income? Well, I would say that it's because of greed or you're lazy, right? That's why you think of you finding someone who you attend a 2-day course, he can actually help you into earning a 6 figures income. Now, it's never true, right? So what makes this HTC program different is this. Honestly, I feel very pressurized in here because HTC talks a lot about mindset, right? So I reflect back on what I actually do. Seriously, to build up my 3 businesses is all about mindset, because people will always tell you that you can't do it, right? Even I have a program to tell you that you are able to do this. After you attend this program, you're able to earn a 6-figure income. Now, ask yourself this. If you don't believe in whatever people tell you, what do you think, or what do you think you are able to achieve at the end of the day if you don't ever believe in whatever people tell you? The thing about HTC Facebook group, or the thing about this whole HTC, right, is fun, right? What's the difference? Now, HTC is not about just an individual acquiring all the skills that you need, right, to increase your whole income to the next level. We work together as a family. You can feel the support from the family by posting anything onto your Facebook group, right? If you have questions or you have queries or any difficulty that you encounter, I can tell you straight that there's nobody or there's no group at all that will give you this type of support that you need, right? Just imagine that even our Sifu Dan, Kevon and Desmond themselves will come into your group and give you advice on how to proceed or how to counter all these obstacles that you have. I can't possibly explain to you how grateful I am to Sifu, Kevon and Desmond. Now, the whole thing is this. Even before graduation, I actually earned back the amount of money that I invested. I'm able to raise the price of my businesses, especially the florist business. It's not only just one time, but it's 3 times, right? Can you imagine just implementing whatever he teach and I'm able to increase my income by 3 times? Now, if you're watching this video right now and you're still skeptical about joining HTC, the question that I want to pose to you is this. Okay, now if Sifu is going to give you 100,000, right? Now the amount of knowledge, okay, is so much, right, that is going to let you earn 100,000. How much are you willing to take out to exchange, right? 20k, 50k? Now you decide on actually what you want. right? Is this course able to bring you to an upper level where you can see so many of us who have actually succeeded from this course?